all that matters. Good job. We got 4 potential Hall of Famers. Game 6. Have a great game. Easy! Well, you're good enough to play through this. You'll play through this. Why got to play through it, though? I have no other explanation than that. I'm not a math major. I don't keep track of that stuff. Oh, okay. Do I work hard? Yeah, you work hard. And do I respect what you do? Yeah. You know what you need to do? Respect what I do. I respect, right?
Yeah, excuse me. How did you not hear my hand? Excuse me. We talk over here, not in the middle of the court. Under control.
The ball was up in the air.
The bottom line is I am not sure. I probably missed the call. That's all I can tell you. I'm not into the ball going up and down. I missed the call.
I'll tell you what, we're going to come right back to it.
Okay? That's my bad on that.
So I know. We all understand. We all agree on how we understand it tonight? Okay? Thank you. Takes his feet out from under. It's not body contact. Don't be nodding your head and walk over. Just keep walking away. There is no conversation. You don't be called walking over nodding your head. Just come over being receptive. Then be receptive. There is no conversation, okay?